Welcome to Math Tutor channel. This channel contains videos for NCERT Mathematics from class 6 to 12. So after seeing the video, if you have any doubts, you can contact the mail ID given at the end. If you want math tuition also, you can contact the mail ID and get the details. In this video, we will see NCERT Mathematics for grade 10. Chapter 2 Polynomials. Next, 2.2 Geometrical meaning of the zeros of a polynomial. Here we will see a linear equation, a quadratic equation and a cubic equation. So consider the general form y equal to ax plus b. Here a should not be equal to 0. This is the condition for a linear equation. Consider example for this y equal to 2x plus 3. In this equation, substitute the value for x equal to minus 2 and x equal to plus 2. Then, if I substitute x equal to minus 2, y will be equal to minus 1. And if I substitute x equal to 2, y equal to 7. So now plot this in the graph. For minus 2, it is minus 1. For 2, it is 7. So for this linear equation, I got a straight line. So this equation is called as the equation of the straight line. So in this equation, the line cuts at minus 3 by 2. That is, if I calculate minus b by a, it is minus 3 by 2. So it cuts at the only one place. So this linear equation will have only one zero. That is, the number of zeros for this linear equation will be maximum 1. It can be 0 or 1, but the maximum value is 1. Next we will see the zeros for the quadratic equation. Consider this equation y equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Here x values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For x equal to minus 2, if I substitute this in the equation, I got y equal to 6. For x equal to minus 1, I got y equal to 0. For x equal to 0, I got minus 4. For x equal to 1, I got minus 6. For x equal to 2, I got minus 6. For x equal to 3, I got minus 4. For x equal to 4, I got 0. For x equal to 5 I got 6. Now plot this in the graph. So if you see the graph is in the U shape. That is, it is cutting at two places, minus 1 comma 0 and 4 comma 0. So now the zeros are minus 1 and 4. So you have to calculate the zeros from the point in the x-axis which is leading the y to 0. Here in the x-axis there are 2 points for which the y value is 0 is minus 1 and 4. So the zeros of the particular polynomial is minus 1 comma 4, and for a quadratic equation we got maximum 2 zeros. Since the power of the equation is 2, the maximum number of zeros can be 2. It can be 1 or 0, but maximum number of zeros is only 2. So this shape, U shape, we call it as a parabola. Or if it is like this, then we call it as a inverted parabola. For this quadratic equation, we can consider 3 cases. In the first case, you can see an inverted parabola and a parabola. For the second case also, you can see both the shapes. And for the third case also, you can see both the shapes. In the first case, you can see that the x-axis is cutting at a and a dash in both the cases. That is, the maximum number of 0 here is 2. In the second case, the U graph is touching the x-axis only one point A. So it has only 1 0. In the third case, the U or inverted U is not touching the axis in any of the point. So the number of 0 is 0. So a quadratic equation, the maximum number of zeros can be 2 and it can be minimum of 1 or 0. Next we will see a cubic equation. Consider y equal to x cube minus 4x. In this, substitute minus 1, minus 2, 0, 1 and 2. For x equal to minus 2, y equal to 0. For x equal to minus 1, y equal to 3. For x equal to 0, y equal to 0. For x equal to 1, y equal to minus 3. For x equal to 2, y equal to 0. So if I plot this in the graph, I am getting a shape like this. Here if you check it out, the graph, the curve is touching the x-axis in minus 1, 0, 0, 0 and 2, 0. So, the zeros of the equation is minus 2, 0 and 2. So, it takes, since the maximum power of the polynomial is 3, the maximum number of zeros is 3 here. It can be 2 or it can be 1 or even it can be 0, but the maximum 0 can be 3. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can contact the mail ID mentioned this video in mathtutor1502@gmail.com. If you want math tuition, you can also contact the same mail ID. The tuition will be taken in 2 languages. One is Tamil, another one is English. Thank you all.